Hey guys, welcome back to the CJ Pony Parts YouTube. Today we're going to be talking more about our S650 street build. We just recently installed the Ridetech HQ Coilover series on it, and it is handling, it is driving, it is fun, I love it, but we wanted to also talk about the Ridetech HQ airbag system. We chose to go with the coilovers on our S650 street build for more adjustability and daily driving. Both of these options are available for the S550 and S650 models, so you have coilovers or bags, and today we're going to get into why you would choose either one. So more on why we chose the coilover system over the bags for our S650 street build. This gives you more height adjustment and dampening over the bags. So this we can set up for a nice cruise down the highway, or we can change the dampening to just take it to some back roads. The installation was pretty easy and straightforward. You don't have to run lines or air compressors for the bags, so it's really easy to do if you're a first-time installer. These coilovers have Fox factory shock internals and valving, along with a monotube design that is super sharp. They have 24 points of adjustability and offer a 1.5 to 2.5 inch drop from stock. It's a bolt-on installation and it's super reliable. So now it's time to switch gears and talk about the Ridetech airbag system and sway bars. We already did put the sway bars on the car because it can go for either the bag system or the coilovers, so check out our video on that. So why would you choose bags over coilovers? That's all about the driver themselves. Bags are more versatile and more comfortable for your daily driver, and it also gives you the option to stance out your vehicle. You can adjust the ride height on the fly, so whether you want it a little bit higher for driving or you want to put it on the ground at a car show. So these airbag systems have shockwave and cool ride systems packed together. They also have an impact forged aluminum shock body that provides an excellent strength to weight ratio. When these are fully deflated, they will net an additional 2 to 3 inch drop over coilovers, with tunable pressures based on vehicle use, so you can have street, performance, drag, road course, or autocross. So which option is best for you? If you're going for ease of installation and simplicity, the coilover is your best option. Where airbags give you more adjustability but are a little bit longer of an installation, I think the airbag system would be your best option. Both of these kits are available at CJ Pony Parts. Do you think we made the right decision going coilovers over bags? Or should we maybe put bags on sometime? I don't know. Let us know in the comments what you would prefer for your vehicle.